Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cultivate Agri. In this video, we discuss the basic concepts of aquaculture, which is a topic in fisheries. This video is beneficial for examination purposes and college students. Here, the important points from textbooks are covered in this topic so that it is easy to understand for everyone. So let's start the session. First of all, we understand the term farming. If you cultivate a crop in a field, it is farming in agriculture. The same thing we are doing here. If you cultivate a fish in a pond, it is fish farming. So why we are cultivating fish? Because from fish we can get 20% animal protein, essential fatty acids, minerals and vitamins, especially omega-3 fatty acids, which is highly beneficial. Besides the fishes are cultivated as food fishes, it is also cultured as sport fishes and larvicidal fishes. We will discuss these two topics later in this video. Here is the anatomy of fish. Anatomy means the structure and separation of body parts of a fish. Here you can learn the names of body parts of a fish from this picture. Just go through it. There are two ways of fish production. One is inland fisheries, which means fresh water, and the other one is marine fisheries, which is sea water. Here we understand the difference between inland and marine fisheries. In inland fisheries, the cultivating the fish in fresh water, and it is less capital, which means we can easily cultivate the fish in a nearby pond and there is high growth rate. In marine fisheries, capturing of fish from sea water, it is more capital because it requires boat to capture the fish and there is high maintenance cost, and also there is slow growth rate. From this differentiation, there are more advantages in inland fisheries. Due to these advantages, the inland fisheries are included under aquaculture and hence it is highly emphasized. Now, what is aquaculture? The production of aquatic organisms and the combination of all stages of their life cycle until their resultant marketable products. Here, marketable products means getting fish from the market according to their habitat, either in their freshwater or brackish water and sea water. These are all some examples of cultivable fishes. Just go through the diagram of these cultivable fishes. Here the term carps means fish grow only in fresh water. These are all warm water fishes and hence it requires temperature 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. Here some examples of fishes and zoological name is there. Just go through it. Besides the fishes cultured as food fishes, it is also cultured as sport fishes and larvicidal fishes. Let us discuss the sport fishes. Sport fishes is also known as cold water fishes. It is easily cultivable in hilly and mountain areas, and so it requires temperature 5 to 20 degrees Celsius. One of the successfully cultivating fish named rainbow trout commenced in Nilgiris. Next, larvivorous fishes. See the diagram of larvivorous fishes. One of the example is Gambusia. The term larvivorous fishes means, from the term itself we can easily understand it is larva eating fish, mainly feed on larvae of mosquito, which acts as a vector for diseases of malaria and dengue. Hence, it is specially cultivating for public health significance to prevent the diseases of malaria and dengue. There are three fishes for this purposes. Actually, it is not known how far these larvivorous fishes could control these diseases. I hope you understand the topic aquaculture. If you need any update, kindly write it in the comment box section. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.